Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthiki. Today we are going to see part 2 of the methods used with set data type concept. Today we are going to see these two methods, clear method and copy method. We will see these methods practically. First method is clear method. The use of this method is to clear or remove all elements from the set. For example, I have one set S1 and it contains 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. And my requirement is I want to remove all elements from this set and I want empty set. At that time I can use this clear method. First we will print this set on the console. And if I run this much program, I got here this set. My requirement is I want empty set. S1 as empty set. I will use this clear method. And I will print this S1 here. And if I run this, see here. Now what it has done? It has removed all elements from this set and it has written as empty set. Right? Next method is copy method. It returns shallow copy of the set. So there are three types of copies: simple copy, shallow copy and deep copy. For that I have created separate video using list concept. You can check that video. Same concept is applicable to set also. Now for example, I have this S2 set and this set is containing elements 5, 6, 7, 8 and I want to copy this set to S3. For that I will create its copy using copy method and I will print this S2 and S3 also we will print. And if I run this, here you will find S2 and S3 contains same elements, right? So this is the shallow copy concept. If you want to know detail about this concept, you can check that video. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.